Okay, now you're going to register a member from the fast side. Remember, the process has changed from recently from the way we normally would do it. So this new process of the membership application or approval process. So there are some new steps that you need to take to in order to register your members in the system. Okay, you're going to want to log in. Okay, make sure you are in club operations. If not, click on the little nine dot waffle and you should be able to type in club operations and click on it and it'll take you to this page right here. From here, we want to make sure that our home site that you want to be in is selected here. I'm leaving mine as none because it's my test site and doesn't matter which club I'm in at this point to show you this. But for you, please make sure you are in the right club site. Okay, we're gonna go look for our household that we are going to make a registration for. You can either look up the parent's name or the child's name, and I'm going to look up during the child, Bluey Hiller. And from here, I can click on the primary contact. From the primary contact page, oh wait, no. From Bluey's page, I would have clicked on the account page because we need to update the account info. So the household annual income, we need to update this. So if it has changed on here, we will change the amount that's in the household and then the income range, the number of members in the household. We need to make sure this is updated, and the number of youth in the household since all of this is being used to calculate the discount inside of My Club Hub. And then once we did that in here, it'll automatically determine the fee thing. There's nothing you need to do here because once you enter in the number of adults and children in the household and then your annual income, will automatically pre-fill here to calculate the membership fee tier. And you want to go to hit save. Okay, then next you want to go to the primary contact's name and then you're going to hit new membership. If the location does not match or you're seeing all the memberships listed here, you can go to change and you can narrow it down to just whatever your site is. So you can only see those memberships related to your site. I'm going to register for a school year application and we're doing a youth. Now I have a choice between Bingo, Bluey, Brand, or Brandy. You can also register all three if you have all three applications with you. I am going to do all three on here. Okay. Okay, after they're all highlighted and the screen is done loading, you're going to hit next. Okay, this is our test account, so most of the information is pre-filled in here. Please double check if you're doing a renewal to make sure that any outdated information it gets updated. in here. And if they are an MPS site, please make sure you list their student ID number here. This is our test kit, so I want to make sure that they do not get counted in any of our regular program activities. So their ID is set for not a member. But if they are an MPS student, please put in their MPS ID number. Any non-MPS members, the data team will handle those ID numbers for you. Okay, if there's a second guardian, please list them there. Um, and their contact information, their relationship to the child, an email if they have one. And if this is a new member that you're registering, please make sure that you get an email address from the parent so that when they do create their parent portal account, that it will automatically link their members to them. Okay, anything that needs to be updated, make sure you want to check these boxes. Okay, and then now I'm going to go Bluey and double check to make sure everything is added in here. Okay, and then lastly, also remember if they had an application filled out at another site already and they are registering at your site, some of the information will pre-fill from the application, especially if it's within the same term. So you just need to verify that the information on the application match was already in the system from when they previously registered at another site. Okay, then we're going to hit next. If there were any waivers or consent forms that needed to be signed, you will see them here. This term, we did not connect any to the application, so you can just hit next. Okay, so on this screen, we're going to hit continue without default. There we go. And then for these, we're going to select pay with another method. And we're going to hit charge to household. This one. We're going to do the same, charge to household on this one. And then charge to household on this one. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down. And then we're also going to hit charge to household again. Unless you know upfront that these are Wisconsin shares members, then you can do pay Wisconsin shares and then you can enter the total amount there. But there are some fees you have to remove first in order so the Wisconsin shares one can be counted correctly. So for here, because we just want to register the members so they can be active at your site, and you're gonna wait for the Wisconsin share stuff to come in or to see if they get enough scholarship or not. You're gonna charge the household and charge the household again. Okay. You can even email the receipt to the parent or here, or we can head back to the account. And we're going to go back to the account. And this is how you register a member from the staff side.